What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying problem of having your Telegram stuck on the SMS fee screen in here. Let's say you're trying to set up or to sign up to your Telegram and you keep on getting stuck on this message right here. I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video, but if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and let me know down in the comment section which step actually helped you fixing this problem. Now I'm going to show you a series of steps in here, and you need to actually follow them in a specific order in order for it to work for you, because one step complements the next one. So do not skip any step throughout the process. Now, before we even jump into the tutorial, I wanted to explain what exactly does this mean. What Telegram is trying to tell you is that they do have high charges when they send OTP SMS messages to your number depending on your location. If you are in continents like Africa and Asia, they do have a high fee in order for them to text you a verification code, and they need to verify your identity for security purposes on Telegram community. Now, in a few countries it's cheap, but in case you are in a much complicated country, they're gonna charge you a specific fee. But do not worry, I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. Now, the very first thing in here that you need to do is not insist, okay? If you're trying to set it up for the first time, do not insist, do not try to delete and re-sign up many numbers, otherwise you'll get temporarily blocked for 24 hours. So the idea here is to follow the very first step, which is you're gonna close Telegram. You wanna turn on Wi-Fi if you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then give it a try with data. You wanna reopen Telegram and see if it sorts the problem. If you were using data to actually try to sign up, close Telegram and then switch it to Wi-Fi, okay? Switch it to Wi-Fi, connect to a Wi-Fi connection. If you do not have one, simply grab a phone nearby and turn on a hotspot, connect to the Wi-Fi, and then try reopening Telegram to see if this solves the problem or not. If it doesn't, do not worry. Let's try adding up a VPN. So you need to hop into App Store real quick, and then you want to download for any VPN service that you have in here. You can go with NordVPN or any free VPN. In my case, I usually use this one, which is 100% free, VPN Proxy Master. I already have it installed. Tap on open and then simply tap on turn on. Now you need to wait for a couple of seconds because we do have a few ads that are going to run in here. Just wait for a few seconds to skip the ads and then turn on your VPN service. So what exactly we're doing here is we're trying to change the location in order to avoid that specific fee. Let's tap on tap to connect, wait for a couple of seconds, and there we go. VPN is now on, and now we're gonna close this, and then we're gonna hop into settings real quick. We're gonna scroll down all the way to general, tap on general, scroll down again, and then tap on language or region right here. Hop into language or region, and then you wanna tap on region, and then you want to change your region to US. Let's change it to US real quick. There we go, United States. Tap on change to United States and wait for a couple of seconds as our Apple device is now changing my region to the US. Now that it's changed to the US, it matches the VPN service, and the next thing we're going to do is force restart our iPhone or our Android device. Now, in order to force restart, all you need to do, if you do have an iPhone 8 or later models, simply tap on volume up and then down, and then press and hold the power button continuously for approximately 8 seconds, okay, until you see the Apple logo on your screen. So once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're gonna release that power button and let it go. Essentially, we're just restarting, so all the changes, there we go, I've left my power button. Essentially, we're restarting just to make sure that all the settings we've done or that we have changed actually take effect real quick. Now, if you do have an Android device, simply restart it, shut it down and restart it. Now, the difference between a forced restart and a normal restart is that a forced restart actually is as if you have removed your battery and reconnected it. So it has more impact when compared to a normal restart. Now, if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to perform a forced restart, all you need to do is press and hold the volume down along with the power button continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're gonna let it go. If you do have an iPhone 6 or previous models with a physical home button in here, you need to press and hold that physical home button combined with the power button continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen. And please note that in few iPhones, such as an iPhone 5 or 4, the power button is located at the top. So you would need to press and hold the power button along with the physical home button. Now, once you're done doing this, you want to bring down the control center. You want to see if VPN is off. Probably it's off because you've just restarted your phone. So you want to reopen that VPN service that we had installed, and then you want to reactivate the VPN one more time. If If it's already on, there's no need to reactivate the VPN. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. Just let the ad run for a couple of seconds. There we go, let's skip the ad and then tap on tap to connect to that VPN server. Once it's connected, you'll be able to see in here the VPN icon showing at the top right corner. Now we're gonna reopen Telegram to try setting it up from scratch one more time. Now, if it keeps showing this, do not worry, simply close Telegram, uninstall it real quick, okay? Remove the app, delete the app, okay? And then simply reopen App Store and download one more time Telegram right now after doing all the changes with the VPN on. Tap on download to install Telegram into your iPhone in order for us to continue with the process. There we go, tap on open real quick and then tap on start messaging. Select the desired country. In my case, I'll be going with Mozambique, and then type in your number in here. Once you're done typing in your number, I want you to continue with your Apple ID account and not with your email address. So simply tap on sign in with Apple. Now, if you do have, for example, an Android device, you can go with your Google Play Store or your account related to your App Store. Okay, so I'm going to tap on sign in with Apple and then simply tap on continue. It's going to sign in with my email address. Just wait for a couple of seconds and then, oops, unfortunately, we still have the problem. In some cases it helps, but if it still persists, you can also tap here on help at the top right corner, and then you do have in here an option to send an email in order to ask them to actually verify it manually for you. Okay, so you do have this option in here. Now, if none of this help fixing the problem, you also do have an alternative way, which is by getting a virtual number from the US. For example, you can go all the way to Google and simply type virtual number USA, and then you can simply type online sim.io. There we go, tap on OK, and you'll be able to see this website in here popping up on Google right at the top. Okay, so you do have this one, online sim.io. Simply tap on online sim.io. It's going to take you a couple seconds to launch that specific website, and once it launches, simply tap on try it for free, and then you simply want to enter a country in here, which will be United States or USA. Tap on USA real quick and you'll be brought in here to many numbers. So you just want to select one of the numbers. For example, this could be this number right here at the top, or you can select many other numbers that you do have in here. Select one number, random one, and then simply type this number on your Telegram configuration by reinstalling Telegram, and then select USA and configure a virtual number over there, and you'll be good to go without the need of getting a text sent in exchange of a charge in Telegram. I hope this video really helped you out, and if it did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and let me know down in the comment section which step actually helped fixing the problem. Thanks for watching Fix by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.